This 5-minute solution will show you how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. To add music with multiple photos, first of all, you have to update your Instagram application. To do that, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see any update available, then update your Instagram application and then launch it. And now, to create a new post, tap on this plus icon at the bottom and here select post. And to select multiple photos, enable select multiple option. And now, all you have to need select multiple photos to upload and tap on next. As you can see, I added 2 photos to my post. And now tap on next. And here you will get add music option. So to add a music here, tap on it. And from this list, you can easily select a music to add. Or you can search for a specific song using the search music box at the top. Now, all you have to need, just tap on the song that you want to add. And here we can see the music has been added. Now, to change the music part, you can do it using this slider. You can also make the music, you can also change the music length from here. And then tap on done and tap on share, and that's all. You will be able to share multiple photos with music. As you can see, the music has been added to this post. That's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.